Hey everybody, back again. It is 10:43, so I'm a little late, but that's okay. And my equipment has been out here for about an hour and 10 minutes. And shoot, I won't put on the headlamp. We'll just take some readings because we're going to be doing quite a few of these tonight. So once again, this is the side that is near, and on the near construction paper, let's put it in view so you guys can see it. There's the edge. This is the near side that's in the shade, so 44.2, holding pretty strong, and then it bounced to 43. So 42, 43 for the far side. So there's the edge. So 43, 29. Oh, it's all over the place. Maybe I need to stand a little more. Really? That's bouncing everywhere. 41. Wow, this is not very. Let's take it from the corner. So there it is at the corner of the table. 44.2. Wow. It's all over the place. And so this is further away from the garage on the further left of the construction paper. So you're seeing 41.7, 42.6. And on the near side of that same corner, getting the same sort of results. Hmm, 43, 42 in the middle, up to the outside, 43, 42. Far side, 43, 42, 43. We're getting 42, 43. 41.5, 41.6, 40. Okay. So this one's not as conclusive. The numbers are showing up pretty. Well, you're still getting, as low as 40.2 on this far side. I'm just thinking that because this is a parkade, I live in a condo downtown here, so 42.0, 42.8. I'm just thinking that, here, I'll give you a zoom out. This is the parkade. I'm on the outside of my building here. There's the neighboring buildings. And the river valley, there's the moon. Oh, and there's people walking through the valley late at night. Interesting. Anyways, and then back here, I will throw on my headlamp. Sorry. So what we're seeing actually is the readings this time were pretty consistent. I'm just thinking that because of the vehicles and the building that the parkade would be warming, so the further side here might be more accurate, but then it's also outside of the moonlight. Let me just shut this off and see. Yeah, the moonlight is only here. The moonlight's covering at about here, and the chair doesn't really cover this area. It gets kind of mixed up. Let's shut this off again. But distinctly this far near corner, and also, there we'll point. No. So this corner's definitely in here, is in the shade, and so is in here, but closer to here it might be under the leggings of the chair. But definitely the far side is in the moonlight. So let's take another reading, I guess, with the lamp on. 42.8, So as you can tell, as it's getting later at night, it's dropping in temperature. And 41. So as per before, we're getting cooler readings. See, there's 40. 41. I'm thinking I might need to go on 39. So that's on the far corner away from. Sorry, let's try and get this all on the light. So that's on the far corner. 39, 40.6. 39 versus this corner. Well, this is kind of fudging the data because this is closer to the parkade, which should be warmer in potential theory. And 41. So you do see that this far corner out there is by far the coldest. This corner, that corner is giving us some questionable readings, 41, 40.1. This corner that is most definitely in the shade, 41.1, 41.2, 41.3, 41.5, yeah, and then it bounces, 42. I think I should get a more accurate instrument, but we are seeing a pretty consistent roughly 1 degree Fahrenheit between the shaded area being warmer than the area not in the shaded area being warmer than the side of the construction paper that is under the moonlight. And actually, although I don't know if you can see it, the moon is somewhatly getting clouded over by a small amount of clouds. It's very faint, but it would definitely affect the potential readings. Earlier it was more, the first readings at 9:30, 9:40 were, I had to wait for the clouds to pass and then it was clear, and the second readings were clear again, and now it looks just slightly, there's just a skiff, a very thin skiff of clouds covering up the moon. So due to cloud cover, we are going to get some uncontrollable variables that are going to affect the readings. I'm going to say that my estimate for the next couple readings are going to be more and more cloud cover. You can't see it because my phone doesn't read this dark a light, but it does look like more cloud is coming on the horizon, or at least the moon is heading towards it. Anyways, I'll still keep coming out and see if we still continue to get this rough 1 degree Fahrenheit difference between the near and far side. Alright, and yeah, click through the next video.